All set now, and the race is on. I Will Survive. Louis Star rushing up is Apo Bell. Mr. Makati down on the inside, and Bangge. Apo Bell is now the leader, followed by I Will Survive. Louis Star. By the rallies, Mr. Makati winning bid is racing from the outside. Apo Bell by a length and a half winning bid in second. Louis Star, Mr. Makati. I Will Survive racing in fifth. Then comes Bangge, Aras. Entry number 3, Peace I Love Manila's Queen and Green Diamond. Rounding the far turn, winning bid by Anek. Apo Bell down on the inside. And racing third by some 3 lengths, Louis Star, Mr. Makati. Winning bid by a length and a half. Apo Bell fighting back down on the inside. Then here comes Mr. Makati as they race the final corner. Winning bid. Apo Bell fighting round for the lead. Mr. Makati is racing in third, rushing up Louis Star and Bangge. And nearing the finish line, winning bid by some 2 lengths. Mr. Makati in second, Apo Bell. And nearing the finish line, winning bid, still the leader. And finally, winning bid, Mr. Makati, Louis Star, Apo Bell, Manila's Queen. For your Pentafecta.
Naka-fourth choice yata tayo dun, ah.